All right, I'm Paul here at Castle Performance with my father. We are a performance shop in Illinois. We specialize in classic to modern day performance muscle cars. We do anything from engine upgrades, suspension, transmission, EFI kits, fuel system upgrades, you name it, we got it covered. Give us a call today.
Welcome to the 58th Annual O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels presented by South Oak Dodge. I'm Doc Riley, and what a great time it is here in Chicago. We have got the championship finale that the winners have just been released. We have the Legend Cup presented by Clean Tools. That'll be done later on in the weekend. Plus, we just have the regular Summit Racing Equipment Show Car Awards to go through. And here in Chicago, you get cars and trucks and bikes of every type imaginable, and color, and customization. It is one incredible show, so please enjoy this next video.
This car was purchased at a Mecum auction in Indianapolis approximately in 2015. It was a completely different color, and my wife was with me, and she designated this car as her car to go to Kroger's, which in Detroit is our local grocery stores. So anyhow, basically the car was identified as Peggy's Kroger car or grocery getter. But upon buying the car, it was sold as a pro touring car, and the engine ran extremely hot. So I've had many years experience with Chuck Woolery at Run Right Classics in Houghton Lake, Michigan. And I sent it up to Chuck and I said, Chuck, I want you to replace this engine. I want you to put an LS engine in it. I wanted to get up to date as far as engine was concerned. So one thing led to another, and we replaced the engine. Then we decided we had to replace the transmission. Then we decided that the chassis wasn't quite right. We ended up replacing the chassis with a Roadster Shop chassis and suspension. And so I sent it up to Chuck, and it took approximately 2 years for this car to come out the way it's come out right now. Probably the most unique thing about the car is the color. It's a two-tone. It's just an awesome color. I don't know how well it's going to show up on film, but it's an awesome color. Something that's also pretty unique on this car is the cover for the fuel injection. The engine cover was designed specifically for this car, and was modeled after the '67 Star Wars air filter, air cleaner. So it's a brand new car for all practical purposes. New wheels, new chassis, new suspension, new transmission, and new motor, of course.
You know what is so nice about this car? I love that accent. Is it chrome right there?
Yeah.
That is so nice.
That was standard on the car.
I haven't seen that in decades. Wow.
And rather than being stuck it on there, they recessed it in further than what it was. We're very, very happy with the trim package. Complete customized interior, which matches the outside paint. It's got an electronic 4-speed transmission. It's an electronic push-button 4-speed transmission. It's got an I Did It tilt wheel, air conditioning.
Hard to drive.
I haven't driven it yet. But I expect it to be a great driver.
Sure.
It's a completely up-to-date car with up-to-date suspension and drivetrain. I live in Detroit, Michigan. My restoration company is Run Right Classics in Houghton Lake, Michigan. who I've been working with for 10 or 12 years. And I sent the car up there with the original paint job, and the entire project probably took close to 2 years for completion. And we are expecting to campaign this car in the ISCA circuit for the balance of 2020 and into 2021.
And this paint is just perfect. It looks like it's factory.
One of the very unique things about the car is the paint scheme and the colors that we have used here. The top half here is a light green. We've got the separation strip here, and below we have a combination of green, silver, and gray metallic. And it's just a very unique painting scheme. And depending on the lighting, these colors tend to fluctuate and tend to change. So we are currently at the World of Wheels car show in Rosemont, Illinois, here in early March, and the car was just debuted at Detroit Autorama 1 week ago. So it really has not been driven yet, and I can't wait to take it out and drive this car. It's going to be a phenomenal driving car, but it's brand new, and we've got a few adjustments to make on it, and I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to driving it.
Here at Castle Performance, we have over 30 years experience in these muscle cars. Also, 1,000 product line, anywhere from turbochargers to superchargers, bolt-on wheels, whatever you'd like. I recommend you give Castle Performance a try, where fast cars is our middle name.